Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Dr. Brown's sanitizer. If you guys haven't heard of it, it's a sanitizer for like baby bottles. It sanitizes bottles, the nipple part, the bottle part, the little parts that go in it, and like pacifiers and stuff like that. Anything can be sanitized, and it's a pretty good size. Not only does it work with Dr. Brown's bottles, but it works with other bottles as well. So just be sure to check my video description for more information on the Dr. Brown's sanitizer. So I just ran it, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn it off. You can hear it, it's kind of loud. Not like crazy loud, but you can just hear that it's running. So I just shut it off. So I just want to show you guys, it's really, really simple to use. So it comes with this like little pitcher, mini pitcher. And you fill it to the fill line, which you can see is right here. And then basically what you would do is, of course, once it's loaded, I just loaded it with everything. See, I didn't even, I have Dr. Brown's bottles, but I loaded it with other stuff. Avon bottle, pump equipment. Oops, this I screwed up. This actually should have gotten put on the top, but it doesn't matter. Like this part you could take out, the plastic, or the silicone nipple piece, and then the plastic piece, and you could lay it right on top here. So that's like a separate part. But yeah, anyway, so you would fill up that little pitcher, and you would just pour it in here, but pour it in when this is empty. Then you can place everything in there and start it. So this lifts right up. And it has like definitely a good amount of stuff. And it runs very quickly too. And then this is sanitized too. This is the pacifiers and stuff, and like the nipple pieces for the bottles you could put in here. And then it fits like Dr. Brown's parts like perfectly. But like I said, you don't have to, if you have regular bottles or other brand bottles, that's okay. It works for those as well. And then what you would do is you would just simply hit, this is the button to put it on. And then this is the button to sanitize. So it kind of tells you like when it's ready. And then so you would press this button to turn it on, and then this is the button that you would hit just to like have it run, have it sanitize everything, and it'll tell you what it's doing. So this is sanitizing, this is cooling off, and then the check button will light up when it's all finished. And the best part is that it's like super quick. So it was actually it works a lot faster than I thought it would, which is great. Because I'm like, I feed my son every 3 hours. So I'm constantly going through bottles. And the old school way to sanitize is to boil like a pot of water and put everything in there and boil it for 5 minutes. Now that's like, there's nothing wrong with that, but it's just, this is just easier for me, like just than having to wait, for the pot to boil and like have to boil everything. This is just something that I think works better. And it's really not that expensive. And Dr. Brown's is definitely a good brand. Like I said, I have their bottles and stuff, and I've had a really successful use with them. I use them for both sons, but then I have other bottles too that I've experimented with. So as long as everything fits well in here, it works great. And then the 2 compartments are nice to have. It doesn't take, it's bigger, but it doesn't take up too much countertop space either, which is kind of nice. You guys can see it's kind of like a sleek design. And then it just gets plugged right in. I have it plugged right in the counter. I don't think there's an option for battery. I think it has to be plugged in. I guess these are kind of like the directions on here. What I did for the directions, and now it comes with directions as well, but I just went on YouTube and there was like a video, not even like 30 seconds, just explaining how to use it. And I'm like, this is like the most simple thing ever, which is perfect. So guys, this is my video on the Dr. Brown's bottle sanitizer. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks everybody, and I hope you all have an awesome day.